Tuloy-tuloy pa rin mga idol ang magandang laro ng Cebu at nakuha na nila ang kanang 4 straight win laban sa Bulacan. Pinangunahan pa rin nila Paul Desiderio, John Manso at Mac Talio ang Cebu Grits. Pero Bumbum Tampos surprisingly halimaw pa lang laro, naka back-to-back slam dunk sa in-game. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Grits versus Bulacan Cuyas. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Enhance their starting in this ball game after coming off the bench in the last game. Martel naagaw ni Aaron Acop. Acop on the move at Lawan is there, but Acop scores despite the defense. No, takbo ang Cebu. Mecca leaves it to Manzo and he scores the first basket for the Greats. Lawan to Mecca. Manzo atake sa gitna. June Manzo able to score his 4th point of the ball game. June Manzo. Adawan takes the jumper and knocks it down. He rattles that one home. Dolan Desiderio. It's the pass from Meneses. Desiderio will drive. Hang time move. Galing kay Paul Desiderio. Monte. Atake si Marlon Monte and he scores as well. Looking for Martel. Ball is loose. Picked up by Adlawan. Adlawan gets the basket. 10 to 11. Desiderio. Left free. Yes. That's a 3 from Paul Desiderio. He rebounded Desiderio. Talio is ahead. Gets it to Desiderio again. Paul Desiderio. Basket and 1. Sumido stops at the 3-point line and knocks down the 3. Peralta gets it to Humauas. Drop pass, Peralta. Yes. We're tied. Humauas, a 3. Got it. And this is now Cuyas. They have a 6-point lead. Desiderio drives. He will get Paul Desiderio. Short. Beijong had it, but lost it. And that Sumido also making his return para sa Bulacan. More firepower here. Oh, Marlon Monte right between the eyes against Paul Desiderio. Manzo against Acop. Acop, the step back 3. Yes. He is balling. Meneses gets the pass from Talio. And drives the runner from JR. That won't drop. Meneses comes away with the loose ball, and it's Paul Desiderio with his 14th point of Meneses. Ang gusto niya magbigay ng pick. Manzo. Runner drops para kay June Manzo. 8 points as well. Talio goes to Desiderio. The spin from Paul Desiderio. Beautiful move against Meneses. Humauas. Well defended by Meneses. Martel to Manzo. June Manzo will score. Monte against Talio. Drop pass, Peralta for 2. Pero nakabalik na dito ang Cebu. Desiderio will launch it from beyond the arc. Let him cook. Paul Desiderio in the first half. Humauas. No. Manzo is ahead. June Manzo will finish. June with a teardrop. That won't go. Evidently, it has been reflected on the stats na nakikita natin. The 14 fast break points of Cebu is hit on the head. No call. Meneses to Beijong. 5 straight points para kay Alvin. Mecca is ahead. And again, Bulacan allowing a fast Monte for 3. In and out. Rebound, Meneses. They're off and running. The greats, Mecca with a layup. Back to the ball. Cebu on the move. Mactalio will lay it in. Mactalio, first basket of the game. Akop makes his move. That's a tough layup galing kay Aaron Akop. Talio puts the ball on the deck. Atake ni Mactals. The finger roll goes. Over 3 minutes to play. Hamon gets the mid-range jumper to drop. First basket para kay John Hamon. Cebu off and running. Hamon pulls the trigger and he knocks it down. Only a 2-pointer para kay John Hamon. Gino drives. Blocked by Adlawan. Talio to Desiderio. And Cebu will score 22-1. They pressure Cebu here. And it's a steal. Talio will lay it in. 6 points para kay Mac Talio to go with 8 assists. Gawex blocked by Adlawan. That's the third block. Andola and Adlawan. Drive from Paul Desiderio, able to score against the tough D. 24 points para kay Paul Desiderio. Peralta to Monte. Monte draws closer and scores with a reverse. To Boom Boom Tampos. Tampos will fly. Count the basket. Martel will drive against Peralta. The kick out to Manzo. Naagaw ni Monte. Marlon Monte is denied. 5 minutes in. Martel gets away. Nakabuelo. Liad Martel with another strong point lead. Martel comes up with a rebound kanina. Peralta with a scoop. 5 minutes remaining. Ontiveros. Ontiveros floats it up and in. Nice Ontiveros. That's block number 6 for Cebu. Manzo against Akop. Gets it to Meneses. And that's horror for Cebu. Humauas. At the drive from Sumido. Scoop layup goes in. So, probing. The hesitation move and the teardrop. Galing kay June Manzo. 16-point in the ball game for Meneses. Boom, boom, Tampos! With a jam. Free throw, 83-69. Boom, boom again! Boom, boom, Tampos. Couple of dunks here in the final period. Sabelina nails the jumper. Oh, Hogfist. One-on-one against Celso. Hogfist, no. Hogfist again, he scores. Hinapan ni Tampos. 13-second differential game clock and shot clock. Sabelina will miss. Ibani Boom Boom. It doesn't look like Cebu will take a shot anymore. And the Cebu greats will extend their winning streak to 4.